Hello, Namaste, Konnichiwa. Welcome to Sunny Sensei. In this lesson, we will prove a fundamental circle theorem. The perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord bisects the chord. So, what do we have? We have a circle with center O and a chord AB. We also have OM perpendicular to AB. We need to prove that OM bisects AB or AM equals BM. Now let's move to the proof. We start by joining OA and OB. Next, focus on triangles OAM and OBM. Angle OMA equals angle OMB, both 90 degrees. We have two right-angled triangles. The hypotenuse OA of triangle OAM equals the hypotenuse OB of triangle OBM. OA and OB are radii of the same circle. Finally, OM equals OM. OM is common to both triangles. We have two right-angled triangles with equal hypotenuses and another pair of equal corresponding sides. So, by the RHS criterion for congruence, triangle OAM is congruent to triangle OBM. Now, corresponding sides of congruent triangles are equal. So, AM equals BM. We are done. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Sunny Sensei. Thank you and see you again soon.